Florida's unemployment rate dropped to 2.5% in December, a historic low last reached in 2006. Meantime, the private sector added more than 425,000 jobs, and the state's labor force grew more than double the national average. All of this according to new numbers released by Governor Ron DeSantis. Now, this morning we have South Florida wealth manager and co-founder of Omnia Family Wealth, Michael Wagner, joining us this morning. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Michael.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good to see you.
Well, inflation is certainly affecting all of us right now. What are some tips you can share with families about preparing and navigating through these tough economic times?
Yeah, and thank you again. So inflation is something we're all dealing with on a daily basis, but there are some things you can be doing. So when you're out shopping or at the grocery store, you can buy your non-perishables in bulk. You can start thinking about doing the store brand instead of the name brands. And then my personal favorite lately is really reviewing all of these like subscription apps that we accumulated during the pandemic. I know I have a whole collection. So really going through and it's like, have I even used this service in the last, couple of months? And if not, canceling it or maybe bringing it down to one of these new ad-supported tiers. So there's a lot of things you can be doing, here and there to combat inflation on a daily basis.
Such good tips. I mean, you mentioned going with the store brand instead of, the other brand. And even yesterday, I saw at the grocery store a $3 to $4 difference. So really good tips there. Some of our viewers may be thinking of retirement, but with the current economic climate, that could really be a scary thought, especially with the price, as we just talked about, with everything skyrocketing. What are some things that you would say to those people, especially what they need to know about investing in their retirement?
Sure, and that is very scary. If you're on a fixed income and the price of goods and services keeps going up and up, it really causes a lot of anxiety, right? So when you're thinking about your investment portfolio and you're in those retirement years and we're dealing with inflation, I think bonds are still a really important part of your allocation. But maybe today you want to be looking at floating rate instead of the traditional fixed rate bonds. So you can actually generate more portfolio income as rates rise. And the other thing I'll say is that, look, we had a rough year in stocks and bonds last year. I don't think now is the time for people to start trying to play catch up with their portfolio because markets have a way of really educating you in times like that. So just stick to the plan. And you can always engage with, a good planner to help you figure out your situation.
Yeah, I think we have time for one more quick question. Sure. As many people start having children, saving for college, top of mind, what are some tips that you would offer those new families?
Yes, that's kind of the opposite of what I was saying for the seniors. For young families and getting started, I would say save early and save often. Time is on your side. You can stomach a little of this volatility now. And if you're continually committing dollars to your investment portfolio, I think of it as you're kind of buying the market on sale. So I would just, again, take into account your time horizon. If you're having a newborn and you're saving for college, you've got a long time and you can certainly ride out the storm. So that would be my tip.
Thank you so much, Michael Wagner, joining us this morning. We really appreciate your time.
Thank you.